Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a great week ahead. This is Monday, fresh day, fresh energy, fresh morning. So, this is to all of you. Caution. My friend, she has a kid and she wanted the kid to learn math or something. So, she joined the ed group based out of North India. And then she paid 4,000 like a mad girl. She has given Aadhaar details and all, and then she's given a bank account and she's paid 4,000 for a course. And when she enrolled for the course, she has told that they have told that it is only a demo. You pay and then based on the kid's interest, we will take it and all. So she enrolled, and even on the demo, the kid did not show interest. So she thought it's waste of money, and the kid has to sit down, and for that she has to sit down, and she thought, okay, let me opt out. So when she reached out for opting out, that is when she got into a rabbit hole. So when she reached out of it, when she wanted to opt out of it, she asked for a reason which they are not ready to give. On top of that, this edtech company is tied up with some other loan company, and they say that the credit score is pending. You have to pay money to us, and they are neither refunding to her nor demanding money from her. And her Aadhaar details, stupid girl, she has given her Aadhaar details to them, and Aadhaar details and bank account also. The 4,000 she paid is connected. So she is worried, and she's getting threatening calls from the loan company. She says, I have not opted for any loan or something. Why have you made me as loan and credit score and all this complication? Just refund my amount. They are neither refunding, they are demanding loan amount from her, which they had some disclaimer on that when she opted for the course. So she's getting threatening calls from the edtech and also from the loan company. They claim it as loan company. She did not loan edtech. And then she reached out to me, what should we do? So I suggested her to get into a lawyer right away to deal with these financial things, and also to lock her Aadhaar details, biometric details and everything, and then to reach out to bank and say it as a dispute. Say it as that particular people or anyone should not have any transaction value, and try to take that 4,000 back. And then write emails clearly to both parties, both companies. They claim the loan wala one and then the edtech one, and say that it is a dispute. I followed ChatGPT instructions and I recommended to her. If you guys have any other valid suggestions, please let us know. And please make sure that scams like this are happening. Whenever you're trying to enroll your kid in some India-based edtech, lots of scams are happening, especially this kind of link, the loan third party and all, it's not required. But she's been pulled into trouble, and they are kind of threatening her, harassing her with calls, it seems. And I googled and I found this is kind of a usual scam that is happening in edtech space. So whenever you are enrolling your kids, please make sure that it is a reputed company and it is not doing this kind of scams and all that. And do not give your Aadhaar details. Do not give your bank details to anyone. This is a precautionary video. I hope this helps. Cheers. Have a great week ahead. Bye.